Yeah, so I wanted to get to that, ma'am. Can I just take a question in as well?
Do not believe all of this.
So I just want to know behind this, and I'm going to ask the girls and Puneet this, behind this good boy visage, what's really ticking? Ananya.
It's the biggest scam.
It's the biggest scam.
It's the biggest
Karan,
It's a scam. They let the girls answer. हाँ, क्या है ये good boy? एकदम सच्चाई है, reality है.
सच्चाई नहीं है, इसके पीछे काफी चीजें हैं जो मतलब ये दिखाता नहीं है.
एक सेकंड. आपको क्या लगता है? आपको लगता है ये झूठ है?
You can't do that.
Thank you. I love you guys.
That's not fair. That's not fair.
हाँ, आप बोलिए.
He is very sweet, I would say that, but he is also very naughty. I think if you leave him with his boys,
The biggest brat in Student of the Year is Tiger Shroff.
Puneet Malhotra.
Karan, in Coffee with Karan episode, we saw their chemistry, girls' chemistry, but there were a lot about Puneet also, but he was not there. What was it? Tigers and Puneet chemistry.
Tiger and Puneet ki chemistry.
We share a very, very good relationship.
See, there is romance between the three of them. There's bromance there. So it's a full kind of bromance meets romance on set and behind the scenes happening. When you see the film, you'll get the vibe as to what I mean. And I think this is the first time Tiger worked with a director that was closer to his age bracket, I think.
Younger.
A lot of you guys don't know Puneet sir was actually an actor. He came to be a hero before he became a director. So
And if you notice, there is full sarcasm on this face when he says it.
No,
Which
really,
you're not
I can
catching.
see
तो
his
कई बार
ads
ऐसा
on
होता
YouTube.
था कि you know every time we give our shots, there's a rehearsal before the take. So Puneet sir used to stand in for me and give my shots alongside. You know, अगर romantic scene होता था तो you know
Not
तारा
the
के
romantic
सामने,
scenes,
या
no.
अनन्या के सामने. He used to perform and then I used to come in and do the take.
And apparently he took very long in the rehearsals. Is it true?
Took quite a few takes for the
Okay,
rehearsals.
all right,
yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Tiger, you're left. Tiger, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. Hi.
हाँ जी, hi.
First of all, congratulations to all of you for the fantastic trailer. मेरा आपसे सवाल ये, you are the newest student of the batch. मतलब इस franchise को अगर हम batch की तरह बोले.
All three of us.
Yeah, all three of us. So मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि अगर पिछले batch से अगर वरुण और सिद्धार्थ के साथ आपको competition करना पड़े, तो कौन से ऐसे वो खेल होंगे जिसमें आप उनके साथ compete करना चाहोगे, आप challenge करना चाहोगे? And you can't be like, I can't compete with them. You have to say
Why can't he be?
अरे
किसने बनाए?
अरे he is the fittest of all the students.
ये अच्छा, you can't be.
अरे
I mean,
he is the
आप
fittest
judge हो कहीं
student.
के?
Sir, he is the fittest student. Come on.
I think Tiger had a bit of a advantage in this case actually. Varun and Sid together could romance one girl and he could romance two.
Yeah.
So that was a big one.
Yeah, but about sports, kabaddi,
Yeah, but he's
running,
saying who would you like to take on?
Which sport? I
कोई
think
भी
No,
sport, yeah.
who? Which one of them would you like
Which
to
one
take
and
on?
which sport also?
Ah, अच्छा, okay.
I'd like to take on Varun in probably the dance competition and the athletics. Or I think Siddharth would be a good challenge if he was there for kabaddi.
Okay.
Because he's tall and athletic. Yeah.
जी. तारा मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि करण सर ने
Thanks, guys.
करण सर ने अभी कहा तारा that you have a very good voice, you sing very well. So अगर आपका competition अगर student के साथ तो पिछली student आलिया के साथ in the matter of singing, so what do you want to say about it?
I don't think we can compete. She sings beautifully in Hindi, and I'd love to sing with her one day, though. That I would love to do.
And we're going to, before we end, we are going to make Tara sing. That goes without saying. But yes, moving on.
Puneet,
Hanji.
you're left. Rahul here from the Filmy चर्चा. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये था कि स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर की फर्स्ट सीरीज जब बनी थी, 2 एक्टर के लिए आपने 1 एक्ट्रेस रखा था, और अभी एक एक्टर के पीछे 2 एक्ट्रेस है, तो आपको नहीं लगता कि वरुण धवन और सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा आपसे नाराजगी जताएंगे?
ऐसा यूनिक सवाल मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं सुना है. इससे बहुत यूनिक सवाल मैंने, वो भैया
बताइए सर.
वो नाराजगी क्यों जताएंगे?
सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि एक एक्टर के पीछे दोनों लड़कियां नहीं है, तीनों साथ में हैं, और ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. I think the students are only supporting us, and all of them have been very, very sweet. Hopefully you'll see, you may see them in the film, maybe.
और टाइगर आपसे ये सवाल था कि इंडस्ट्री में आते ही आपने हीरोपंती की, फिर आप बागी बने, फिर जाके फ्लाइंग जेट में आप उड़ने की कोशिश किया आपने, फिर मुन्ना माइकल में गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए लड़ाई किया आपने, अब जाके स्टूडेंट बने. आपको नहीं लगता रिवर्स गियर लगा है, स्टूडेंट अब जाके बने?
शायद फ्लाइंग जेट के बाद थोड़ा ज़मीन में आना पड़ा मुझे तो